This is the wire nana carries a current I. According to Eirsted experiment, current carrying wire to produce a magnetic field. In this point, we want to find magnetic field induction due to this current wire. This point P is a distance R from the wire. Okay? Here R is nothing but the perpendicular distance between wire to point P. Okay? Wire to point P. In the situation, one end of the wire joining, other end of the wire joining. This angle is alpha, this angle is beta. In the situation, magnetic field induction at a point P is mu naught I by 4 pi r into sin alpha plus sin beta. Look here. What is the formula for magnetic field induction? Magnetic field induction due to this straight wire. What is the formula? Mu naught I by 4 pi r into sin alpha plus sin beta. Okay, this is the recap of the last week. Here, for example, this wire is long wire. Other name is infinite wire. Long wire, other name is infinite wire. In the infinite wire, here point P ఎక్కడో మీట్ అవుతుంది. అంటే సింపుల్గా ఆల్ఫా ఈజ్ 90, ఎక్కడో మీట్ అవుతుంది అదర్ ఎండ్, బీటా ఆల్సో 90. We know the mathematics, sin 90, sin 90. Simply, long wire produce the magnetic field is mu naught I by 4 pi r sin 91, 1 plus 1, 2. Neatly write as mu naught I by 2 pi r. This is the formula for magnetic field induction due to long wire. Okay? ఇక్కడ పాయింట్ P ఉన్నాం. అదే ఈ పాయింట్ P one end of the long wire ఉందనుకోండి. One end of the long wire. Here other end meet at ఎక్కడో మీట్ అవుతుందన్న ఆల్ఫా వాల్యూ 90, ఆటోమేటిక్గా బీటా వాల్యూ నో అదర్ ఎండ్ కాబట్టి 0. ఓకే, హియర్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ ఆల్ఫా వాల్యూ 90, beta value 0. Simply B value write as mu naught I by 4 pi r into 1 plus 0, write 1. Look here. This is the long wire, this is the wire nana. To produce the magnetic field at a point P, formula mu naught I by 4 pi r into sin of alpha plus sin of beta. This is the long wire అయితే direct formula mu naught I by 2 pi r. Point P one end దగ్గర ఉంటే mu naught I by 4 pi r. That is the long wire. Okay. For example, look here, all of you. The wire now. Look here. This is the wire carrying a current I. Point P ఇక్కడ కాకుండా ఇక్కడ ఉంది. Point P on the axis of the wire. On the axis of the wire అయితే according to Biot-Savart law, ideal bar cross R bar. This is the field formula now. According to Biot-Savart law, this is R nana, R bar. DL also gives the tangent. Nana, point P on the axis, simply DL and R both are parallel. Theta becomes 0. Ideal sine 0, 0. Simply magnetic field induction becomes 0. Simply point P along the axis of the wire, magnetic field induction becomes 0. Okay, Nana? Look here, Nana. That is the wire, Nana. Point P is some distance is there, perpendicular distance is there, formula here. Long wire, mu naught I by 2 pi r. Point P, one end of the wire, that is long wire, mu naught I by 4 pi r. Here, point B on the axis, B becomes 0. Okay? This is the important formulas, Nana. Read to see here. This is the straight wire, Nana. Here, next I discuss very important theorem. This is the triangle, Nana. Triangle carries a current I. Triangle side length is L. Equilateral triangle. Here, at a centroid, magnetic field induction formula. Nana, at centroid. Directly I given, Nana, because this derivation proved in the class of Friday. Okay, Friday class, please revise. Mu naught I by 4 pi L into 18. Look here. That is direct formula, mu naught I by 4 pi L into 18. This is the equilateral triangle. Side length L carries a current, Nana. Carries a current I. At centroid, magnetic field induction formula is mu naught I by 4 pi L into 18. Okay? Next one. For example, I take square. Look here. Here in the square carries a current I. Here square carries a current I. Square side length L. In the square at center, magnetic field induction formula is mu naught I by 4 pi L into 8 root 2. Here also magnetic field induction at the center of the square. What is the formula? Mu naught I by 4 pi L into 8 root 2. Okay, Nana? Next, Nana, I take hexagon. Hexagon have how many sides? 6 sides, Nana. Look here. 6 sides are there. In the hexagon, side length is L, Nana. Here also carries a current I. Here at the center of the hexagon, magnetic field induction is mu naught I by 4 pi L into 4 root 3. These derivations in Thursday evening class or Friday morning class I can explain. Please see back videos. Okay? Please see last week videos. Look here. Next మరి ఇక్కడ mu naught అంటే ఏంటి సార్ అంటే permeability of free space nanu. Once again I repeat, mu naught indicate permeability of free space. Its value is mu naught value is 4 pi into 10 power minus 7. What is the mu naught permeability of free space? Its value is 4 pi into 10 power minus 7. Write down. Good. Yes, look here, Nana. Amperes. Ampere's circuit law. Look here. Very important law, Nana. Now I discuss Ampere circuit law. In the Ampere circuit law, what is the use of Ampere circuit law? To determine the magnetic field induction due to current carrying wire. Once again I repeat, what is the use of Ampere circuit law? Determine magnetic field induction due to current carrying wire. Ampere circuit law is an alternative of, that means alternative form of Biot-Savart law. Okay, actually Biot-Savart law, what is the use of Biot-Savart law? To determine the magnetic field due to current wire. Single wire aithe very easy to solve the magnetic field by using Biot-Savart law. కానీ ఇక్కడ multiple wires ఇస్తాడు. For example, look here now. This is the current carrying wire, carrying a current I1. Next wire carrying a current I2. Next wire carrying a current I3. ఇలా ఉన్నాయి. ఇలా multiple wires ఇచ్చి in this point, once again I repeat, ఇలా multiple current carrying wires ఇచ్చి in this point to determine the magnetic field అంటే multiple wires ఇచ్చినప్పుడు we apply Ampere circuit law. First nana, according to this point, first closed circle will be assumed, closed sphere will be assumed. According to this closed loop, all the wires in the loop, all the wires inside the loop, all the wires inside the loop. Okay, look here nana, this is the point nana. According to that point, all the wires in the loop, all the wires inside the loop. Okay nana, look here nana. According to this situation here nana, in this point which will be determined magnetic field due to these wires. Look here. Here tangent gives the direction of magnetic field. Tangent gives the direction of length. Okay, length of this closed loop. What is the Ampere circuit law? Directly I give the formula. Integration of B bar dot dl bar equal to mu naught into I net. Look here now. By using this formula to determine the magnetic field induction due to these current wires. What is the Ampere circuit law? Integration of B bar dot dl bar equal to mu naught I net. In the mathematics, here dl is called line integral. Area is given, surface integral. Volume is given, volume integral. What is the formula for Ampere circuit law? Integration of B bar dot dl bar equal to mu naught I net. Nana, look here nana. Definition, line integral of, length unte emantaru, line integral of magnetic field induction is equal to mu naught times of the I net. These total current always present inside the loop. Okay na? ఒక చిన్న ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇస్తాను చూడండి, స్మాల్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇస్తాను చూడండి. ఓకేనా? లుక్ హియర్ నా. ద క్వశ్చన్ ఈస్ find line integral of integral of magnetic field induction. Find the line integral of magnetic field induction. This is the question. First to see the question. This is the closed loop. Look here. This is the I1. This is the I2. This is the I3. This is the I5. Here. In the question, I1 value is given 4, I2 value is given 2, I3 value is given 3, I5 value is given 1. In the diagram, to determine the line integral of magnetic field induction, here neatly determine integration of B bar dot dl bar is how much? This is the question. According to Ampere circuit law, the formula for integration of B bar dot dl bar is mu naught I net. According to this formula, mu naught okay nana. Here, what is the I net? I net means total currents nana. Here nana, according to circuit law, into unte I taken as positive nana. Out unte I taken as negative nana. Okay na? Look here. I net means into I1 is positive plus I1. Okay? Outward, that can be taken as minus I2. Into means positive plus I3. Next year రాయాలి into అంటే పాజిటివ్ ప్లస్ I5. కానీ ఇది రాయము నాన్న. ఎందుకు రాయము? మ్యూ నాట్ I నెట్ అంటే నెట్ కరెంట్, టోటల్ ఆల్ కరెంట్స్ present inside the loop, but I5 is out of the loop, so it cannot be right. ఓకే, I5 రాయకూడదు. నీట్గా చూడండి. ఇప్పుడు అర్థమైందా? ఇంటూ ఉంటే ద కరెంట్ టేకెన్ యాజ్ పాజిటివ్, అవుట్ ఉంటే ద కరెంట్ టేకెన్ యాజ్ నెగటివ్. ఓకే, లుక్ హియర్ నా, లుక్ హియర్.